Hi everyone, this is Polly from YUAN. So the third demonstration we're showcasing is actually include video technology and AI technology. For the video technology we are showcasing now is a M.2 capture card having 2-channel or 4K 60 444 color space HDMI inputs to be captured. At the same time, in the bottom side, this is an NVIDIA Jetson solution. Jetson right now is running with the AI application to use intelligence to improve the image, to enhance it, to help on further recognition. So you can see that we put a bar here. You can actually make it AI enhanced. So to remove fog, or when the light is too low, it can further stronger the light, so for people can actually detect it. The solution can be made into a form factor covering with a capture card, or at the same time, we can also have a embedded together solution, have different capture card to be installed. Basically, this capture card can be switched, either is a HDMI, SDI, or furthermore, if you want to connect a SDVOE inputs, it's also no problem.